जन्नत है। जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है ना मिलेगी। Respected speakers and worthy members of ازاد Jammu Kashmir Legislative Assembly, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Razia Sultan, the daughter of Kashmir, the daughter of Yaseen Malik, who is the greatest symbol of resistance against Indian atrocities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. My father Yaseen Malik, representing all Kashmiris, has been struggling against Indian illegal occupation, human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir since 4 decades. He struggled for the resolution of Kashmir dispute asked for UN Security Council resolutions. I, Razia Sultan, daughter of Hurriyat leader Yaseen Malik, they have come to Mظفرآباد. Yaseen Malik is renowned globally as a symbol of resistance and peace struggle for Kashmir. Now things have evolved in such a way that the Prime Minister Modi has shackled my father in a cell, where he is sentenced to death. Yaseen Malik, who sacrificed everything, including health, family, wealth, for the sole purpose of freedom for Kashmir.